Hey guys, what's up? It's Rhett, back at it with another video. First off, I have a second channel. I put that link in the description where it's not just Atlanta sports, it's other stuff I like to do. Check that out for me. I have one video up. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about something I ordered a long time ago. I ordered it in May for my birthday, and it didn't come. It was supposed to come in June, it's supposed to come in July, and then I just didn't think it was going to come till later on, but now it's August 8th, and it came. Really happy with it. This is the new Falcons jersey. Pre-ordered it whenever I could, or my brother did, for my birthday. Really excited, happy for it. Got a Matt Ryan jersey. I like the white jerseys the best. And I think the number 2 looks a lot better than the number 11 does for Julio. And I think it's Falcons fans, you really just have to choose between Matt Ryan and Julio. To me, the number 11 looks like 7s with our new jersey. But I'm a really big fan of it. I wish they sold sweatshirts with just that ATL on it, but they don't. I like how it has the Falcons at the top. This is a really clean jersey. I'm glad it came before the season started, because one of my friends ordered a Julio jersey, and it said it wouldn't come until October, and that's like a month into the season. So I just wanted to show y'all this. Got the Falcons logos on the side. I think it's really clean. I'm glad it came. It's going to be a quick video, but which jersey is y'all's favorite? I'm kind of growing on the gradient ones. The black ones I think look good with certain numbers with the new font. I think the 2s look good. I think the 3s look good. I think the only one that looks bad is the number 1, and that sucks for Julio. I might at some point get a black one or something, but at this point I'm not really trying to, because the Hawks got new jerseys, and I feel like the NFL, I don't know, you kind of just need one jersey because they only play like one game a week. NBA, you can wear multiple. That's my thing. This was the year for Atlanta to just get new jerseys, so you kind of have to pick and choose. I'm glad I got that one. I'm so excited. It's so plain. Just got that one stripe down the side. The tag's still on it. I need to take it off and wear it, but I'm a big fan. This isn't a China one. This is real. I think it just looks super clean. I'm a big fan of the white jerseys. I think white can be such a super clean, super crisp look. If you have like an all-white look, I think that's some of the cleanest stuff in all of football and uniforms in general. So I was just showing that off, show that it came. I'm a big fan of the new jerseys. I wasn't the biggest fan at first. I think the white jersey for me, I give about an 8 out of 10. The black jersey, I probably give a 7 out of 10. Then the gradient one, I probably give about a 5 out of 10. I kind of wish we just had a normal red jersey. I mean, I'm going to have to see them on a person to see how I like them, like in game. And be like, oh, that's cool, that stinks. Hopefully football season starts on time. But I was just going to share that with y'all. Let me know if y'all like it, if y'all are getting one of the new jerseys. Till next time, peace.